guys, and welcome back to another vlog here on my channel. If you guys are new, welcome. My name is Sarah and I have a very exciting try on haul to share with you guys. In case you're unaware of what Halara is a women's activewear brand that focuses on high quality yet comfortable workout clothing for all shapes and sizes. Their products are designed with a breathable yet durable fabric, but are also fashionable enough to wear outside of the gym. They have a ton of different styles, colors, and sizes from extra small all the way up to 4X. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys a few pieces that I already know and love, but also a few new pieces to me that I've recently fell in love with, like the gym shorts. Perfection. The design is really key on why I love these shorts opposed to like most others, which I'll get into. I will have everything linked down in the description box for you guys in case you want to check it out. You can also use my coupon code on Halara's website for 15% off regular priced purchases. Now, let's go ahead and jump into today's video. Y'all, I have to start with my favorite. I have to. Crossover high-waisted flare leggings. They're my favorite. They have a beautiful little crossover effect here in the front. Very stretchy, very breathable material. Comes in a ton of different colors. Flared bottom here at the end. They come in sizes extra small all the way to 4X, a variety of colors. They are perfect for support and extremely comfortable to wear. They're perfect for everyday use, whether you're running errands or running to the gym. I got this beautiful gray color because although they're leggings, I can wear these to work. It's perfect. In case you guys don't already know, I am a full-time paralegal. So something like this, I can really dress up and I can wear it whether I'm going to Target, I can wear it when I'm doing my little evening walk, or I can wear it when I'm spending a day at my desk at the office. It's perfect. Speaking of work, Halara also has a new work pant. They're like a legging, however, they have the details of a work pant. So it has like this little seam here in the front, like a jean. It also has usable pockets here in the back. You can use both of them. They're functionable. It has a very stretchy material and a flare bottom. They're so comfortable yet stylish enough for work. These are available in extra small to 3X with 5 beautiful colors to choose from. While we're on the office trend, let's just snap into skirts. I have never been a skirt girl. I'm not even gonna lie to you. The chub rub is real. I just can't wear skirts because the friction just, it's torture. Even in the winter time, if you're up walking a lot, and there are times that I'm not in the office, I'm on the go constantly, and skirts just aren't it for me. However, Halara has skirts that have built-in shorts. And I don't know where I've been, but I just didn't know that. I know they have like dresses with like built-in shorts because like they're viral for it, but I didn't know that they had skirts. And so I'm super excited for this because this is a transition piece that I can use now in the summer, but I can also like throw on some tights, you know, knee-high boots and like wear them in the winter as well. So let me show you their skirts. This is their long line skirt, super flowy. I love the way the front comes together. It kind of like has this little piece that comes over, but underneath are the shorts. This size comes in extra small to 3X as well. 5 color options to choose from, and the shorts just make it that much more comfortable. The second skirt that I got is a little bit more shorter. This is the high-low skirt, and this is a little bit more flirty, where it does come up high in the front, comes a little bit lower in the back, which is good, especially like, so, you know, if you're a plus size girly that wears most of your weight in your hips, skirts don't always cover where they should cover, so this has got you. But also it has built-in shorts, just like the other one, that make it so comfortable. This also has a high waistband, so it really just sucks you in and keeps everything together. This also comes in X sizes extra small to 3X, a wide array of colors to choose from. This skirt is also like something I could transition from work to like running errands to like hot girl walks, because it's not so long that you're gonna like get really hot on your walk. It's got the shorts built in, but it also has some coverage. So, you know, you could be really cute and flirty with it. So I really like those skirts. It gives me a lot more options at work to be able to have like the cute little skirts without But chub rub, I love that specifically. Halara also has a wide variety of like rompers and jumpsuits. And just because of like the way I'm built, I have a little bit of like a pear shape. I just never felt comfortable in like rompers and stuff. They just, I don't know, they don't fit me the way I want them to fit me. But this one was a little bit of a surprise. Got it in a different color than I normally do. It's the Breezy Backless jumpsuit. I love the way it has this little band right here at the top, because then it fans out and I feel like it really complements like my body type. It has little spaghetti straps. It also has this zipper here on the side that you can undo because it is a jumpsuit. You have to like put it on from like the bottom up. So you undo this little zipper, which really opens it up. So you can put it on a little bit easier, and then you just zip it right back up and it fits just so perfect. I love how flowy the legs are in this because it really just complements everything. This comes in 5 colors to choose from. It also comes in sizes extra small to 3X. I can honestly see myself wearing this to the office and then like throwing on some flip-flops and jumping and going to like the ball field for practice, or like running in Kroger and grabbing groceries. Like it's just, I really like the way this fits. I'm not gonna lie, I didn't expect it. I really didn't, but I'm glad that I got this color too. It adds a little bit of a pop in my wardrobe, and it is versatile. So I can like throw a pretty cardigan on during like the winter, or you know, just wear it strapless during the summer. I really, really like this, and it was the biggest shock of the whole haul on how much I actually like this. I feel like Halara is really known for their leggings. I feel like that's really where they got their start and really went viral. However, recently they have been all over my TikTok. They have gone super viral over this dress, and I own several activewear dresses. I've been on my hot girl walk session. Anything that I can take a walk in and be comfortable in, especially if it has shorts, you know, no chub rub. I've tried them all. This one by far is the best like activewear dress because of one simple little thing that they've done. An open back to their dresses. So this is the back of the dress. This is the shorts. Okay, and this is the back of the dress. And then this is the top part that goes over, so that you can pull them down to go to the bathroom. That is the best thing that no one has ever talked about. Have you ever been in a public restroom and you're in like an activewear dress or even like a romper and you have to go to the bathroom? You are naked. You're naked in public. It's crazy embarrassing. Like you just feel so uncomfortable, and Halara has made the perfect dress so you don't have to feel that way anymore. This dress comes in 6 different colors and sizes extra small to 3X as well. It's just perfect. It has an open back situation. It has shorts. It has a pocket. It's an easy backless moment to go to the bathroom. Honestly, I can probably just like donate all of my other dresses, because that's definitely gonna be the one that I reach for now, just because of how easy it is to wear if like you're on the go. Like especially if you're running errands, you don't wanna be in Target half naked when you gotta pee. Let's just be honest. Other than like the pants and the dress, because of course they're a staple and a favorite, this is like a new favorite for me. As I told you guys before, I've been on my hot girl walks. Your girl's trying to exercise. She's trying to get out more. So every evening we're outside doing something. And the problem with shorts, I normally wear biker shorts all the time, because some of the problems that you have when you have little gym shorts is they ride up and then you rub your thighs together, and I just hate that. But Halara has pretty little shorts that have that tight like biker style underneath, but like a little flowy top. So you get that cute little flowy tennis like short with the comfortability of like a tight enclosed short underneath. I have no idea how to describe half of this stuff, so I hope it's making sense for you, but these are by far like a new favorite of mine. They also have a little pocket on the inside, so you can pop your AirPods, you can pop your cell phone right in the pocket and just go. It comes in several different colors to choose from and sizes extra small all the way to 4X. Last but certainly not least is this tank top, backless twist design. And what I really like about this tank top is that it has this built-in bra underneath with pads. So like you don't have to wear a bra with this tank top, even though it kind of looks like a bra, but it's technically a tank top. It has, you know, little pads and a little bra underneath to really like cinch you in and keep everything flattering. And then the front just kind of like folds down into like this little crop tank top. I love like the little twisted back. I can see myself wearing this like as a bra, not just as a tank top. I can see myself like putting this on and then putting like a really big like workout tank top over top of it. It's like really super cute and comfortable. I also see myself just like lounging around the house in this. It's comfortable, perfect. You don't have to wear a bra when you have it on. So if like, you know, you gotta run to check the mail, or if you're running to go like get a pickup or something, you can just like throw this on with like some high-waisted leggings, and yeah, I mean, it's perfect. The double straps really help so it doesn't like weigh down on your shoulders, because that can sometimes hurt. So this really like helps even out that pressure, if that makes any sense. Most of you know, especially if you're a returning subscriber, I have been working on my capsule wardrobe for like summer for a while. It's been like an all year thing because I've been struggling to find staple pieces that I can transition. Like I like having a capsule wardrobe, but I need something that I can wear like casually, but also something I can wear to the office. And I really feel like I found some staples with Halara. And if you ask my husband, he would tell you that I've been on the hunt for like pants that I can wear to the office, but I can also wear them around the house, or I can wear them when we're like traveling. Like I can just multifunctional. And also like if you have an office job where you're sitting down all the time, some pants can just be so uncomfortable. So I'm so happy that I was able to get my hands on Halara pants that are not necessarily black, because I already have black leggings that I love, but this perfect gray, like this looks like gray work pants. It really does. And especially their skirts that have like that built-in shorts, they make me feel a little bit more comfortable when I wear them at the office. You know, I'm not so, I don't know, exposed. I'm a little weird, I know. But I'm so happy that I found these pieces that now I can curate like a really good capsule wardrobe with like office wear, and I can mix it into like everyday wear, and I don't have to have so many different pieces that I honestly don't love or I really just don't feel comfortable in. So the capsule wardrobe video is going to be coming very soon because today was a success. I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. Have you heard of Halara? Have you tried Halara? I would love to know in the comments section down below. Halara has such a huge array of options in so many different styles and colors and sizes. It's the perfect place to find like your staple piece of activewear that's really versatile in life, like not just necessarily for the gym. Again, I will have everything linked down in the description box below for you guys if you would like to try Halara out, along with my coupon code, and I will see you guys in my next video.